For this problem, to begin, we are asked to state our hypotheses. So the null hypothesis for this test, is going to be that the mean for the setosa species is equal to, or actually, pardon me, I should be more careful here. The mean for setosa minus the mean for versicolor will be equal to 0. The alternative hypothesis will be that the mean for setosa minus the mean for versicolor does not equal 0, where we know that we are using a t-test at the 0.05 level of significance. So to do this, as you can see here, I'm working in Google Colab.